Welcome food enthusiasts to Cooking with Lobster, delicious recipes and techniques. In this culinary adventure, we will uncover the secrets to prepare the savoring one of the ocean's most exquisite delights, the lobster. From classic lobster dishes to creative recipes, we will explore various cooking methods and techniques to ensure your lobster meals are nothing short of extraordinary. So put on your chef's hat and get ready to indulge in the world of lobster cuisine. Before we dive into the kitchen, let's begin with the basics of choosing the perfect lobster. Looking for lobsters that are lively with a strong active tail flip. Their shells should be firm and free from any cracks or discoloration. Remember, the fresher the better. Our first recipe is a crowd-pleasing classic, the lobster roll. Starting by boiling or steaming the lobsters to cook the meat. Once cooled, gently remove the meat from the claws and tails. Mix the succulent lobster meat with mayonnaise, lemon juice, diced celery, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Toast some buns, generously fill them with the delectable lobster mixture, and serve with a side of fries. It's a taste of coastal breeze in every bite. Next up, we have a luxurious and creamy lobster bisque. Begin by sauteing onions, carrots, and celery in butter until tender. Add tomato paste, brandy, and fish stock. Allow the flavors to mold. Now it's time for the star ingredients, the lobster meat. Simmer the bisque until it thickens. Then blend it to the velvety consistency. Finish with a touch of heavy cream and a sprinkle of fresh chives, indulging in a bowl. For a succulent and smoky treat, let's grill some lobster tails. Split the tails in half, brush them with olive oil and season with salt, pepper and a hint of paprika. Grill the tails over medium heat, shell side down, until they are slightly charred and beautifully cooked. Serve these delightful lobster tails with lemon wedge and a garlic butter dipping sauce, a perfect summer delight. Elevate your culinary skills with a rich and creamy lobster risotto, starting by seasoning shallots and garlic in butter until fragrant. Add arborio rice and let it toast slightly before adding white wine. Gradually stir in firm fish stock until the rice is cooked to perfection. Finally, fold in the cooked lobster meat, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley, a delectable harmony of flavors. Cooking lobster requires finesse. Remember to avoid overcooking the delicate meat, as it can become tough and rubbery. Steaming or boiling lobsters is a common method, but grilling and baking offer unique flavors. Additionally, save those lobster shells for making aromatic stocks or sauces. Waste not, want not. Thank you so much for watching.